Today, the man in charge of investigating UAPs said his office now has 650 reports. More than half have a round or sphere shape, possibly balloons, typically white, translucent, or metallic. Observed at 10 to 30,000 feet. So far, no sign of alien involvement.
No credible evidence thus far of extraterrestrial activity.
Sean Kirkpatrick says this case remains unresolved. A cylinder object spotted somewhere in the Middle East. But this flying object with a tail, he says, turns out to be a plane.
This is the heat signature off of the engines of a commuter aircraft that happened to be flying in the vicinity.
More concerning, Russia or China could have advanced capabilities the U.S. doesn't have.
Could you describe potential threat that might exist out there if they are foreign?
Are there capabilities that could be employed against us? Absolutely.
2 months after U.S. fighters shot a Chinese spy balloon out of the sky, the Washington Post reports leaked intelligence documents not verified by NBC News suggest China could soon deploy a high-altitude spy drone able to travel at 3 times the speed of sound and able to surveil and attack American targets.
The adversary is not waiting